Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Business Craft. Today I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing and how it works. So without wasting time, let's begin. First of all, what is affiliate marketing? As we can easily describe this thing, affiliate, which means the process of earning a commission by promoting others' product and services. This basically means you will sell a product or service, then you will earn a commission. For example, if you sell a product which is worth $100, then you will earn, the company gives you a promoting commission which is 50%. So you will earn $50 from that product. So there are many affiliate programs which you can join and you can promote the products. So you have those programs, those affiliate programs and companies give you the your personal link from which you can get the promoting link and then you can promote that product through the link. Next, why affiliate is a good to start with. So there is a question in everybody's mind. In fact, when I started the affiliate marketing, I also thought, why is it a good start? So this need no investment and no any money to spend. You can just start from a scratch without nothing. There is no worries to create your own product. You don't have to worry about that too. And there is no need to create a service that you want to promote or you want to sell to customers. There's no need to be an expert or an experienced person. You don't need to be an experienced person by knowing and getting all the knowledge. You just need to know about the tricks and strategies that you want to follow. Next is what is needed for affiliate marketing. You basically need a traffic. Traffic means you everybody nowadays use social media. There is very few person in the world who don't use social media. So we all know that there are lots of free traffic which is Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many more. So this traffic can be paid or free. So if you want to promote your product through free traffic, then it's gonna take time. But it will definitely work. There are people who get paid and they promote your products. But if you want to start from a scratch, you don't need to pay it. Next is there are many free platforms to promote your product to the customers. So you can start making videos on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. There are many other social media platforms, but most of them, these four are the best ones. There are other platforms such as Pinterest. We can promote product over there too. Once you get your link, you can start promoting that link on your TikTok, YouTube account, Facebook account, and Instagram account. There are lots of people who can get together and start buying product from you, and then you will earn a commission. And there are some websites that gives you the special offers. So you guys will think like how are we gonna get those links? So these are the four best websites such as ClickBank, Market Health, Warrior Plus, and YouTube. All these will give you the link and you can promote it anywhere. Thank you, and I will explain many more things in my upcoming videos. Please do subscribe and like my channel. Thanks a lot.